Before you begin, remove the main service door, keyboard, drive service door, and top cover. Removal. Place the top cover upside down. Press down on the clip and slide the fingerprint bracket to the side and up to remove it. Carefully peel off the fingerprint reader cable from the adhesive that secures it to the top cover. Remove the fingerprint reader from the adhesive that secures it to the top cover. Replacement. Replace the fingerprint reader in position and press down to secure it to the adhesive. Press down on the fingerprint reader ribbon cable to secure it to the adhesive. Slide the fingerprint bracket back into position over the fingerprint reader.